Coach, you control the game for the most part tonight, just not getting the ball in the back of the net. Caught with an 89th minute goal. What are your thoughts on what your boys did and didn't do tonight?
I think we went up against a very quality Hydel team. I think they have a lot of experience in their ranks, a lot of individual brilliant players. I think we control them for the most part of the game. In some moments I never like it in terms of how we really wanted to play. But I think a lapse in the latter part of the game against a quality team like Hydel, that's unacceptable. Kudos to them though. They came here, they really defended stoutly, and they got the winner, and deservedly so.
And obviously the next game is a quick time Tuesday. Not a lot of time to practice, so it's about mental preparation for the next one, pretty much.
Yeah, we would have been here before. There's no need to panic. In 2019 we went through with I think the lowest number of points and we went on to win. But I think for me now is to get these youngsters recover and get them to mentally be ready for the next one on Tuesday.
Okay, Coach. Thank you very much.
All right, Coach, and you spoke about 2019. That would have probably been the last time where you guys would have found yourself in, a situation like this. For a group of boys that aren't used to losing, how do you get them back in the mentality to rebound from this situation?
I don't need to get them in any mentality. I think they created a situation for themselves. They have to fix it. I think we have enough quality in our ranks though and enough experience to handle it.
And historically speaking, besides the hiccup with Tivoli at the beginning of the season, JC, they've not lost a game in corporate area football in about 2 years. How does that feel to finally see that streak end?
It's always sad when you lose a game, but as I said, in this moment, there's no need to be sorry for ourselves. What we have to do is to pick ourselves up, get ourselves ready, and go again on Tuesday and win that game.
Late game winner, Barrett. What went through your mind when you saw him step up to that ball and hit it across the road?
Amazing player. We knew in our pre-game that he was the threat for them in most areas of the park. I think though we control him well, we control Hydel well, but as I said in the latter part of the game, the last person on the park you want the ball to fall to is him, and it fell to him, and he hit it well. I think we could have saved it, but as I said, we don't want to look too much in the past. We want to look forward and see how we can come again on Tuesday.
All right, Coach, better luck on Tuesday.
Yeah, man, thanks.